Guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we have the blue color on. It is the viral blue makeup transition video on the song Billie Eilish's Blue Song. And yes, I really love the looks people have done, the creators have done, so I thought why not give it a try. It's a very hard transition. Because आप एक बार गीले होते हो, नहीं सही से हुआ, दूसरी बार होते हो. I have some bits, just check it out. Let the people know. People are passing by, and I'm shooting in the balcony. So let's see how it goes. And coming back to the video, so without any further wait, let's get started. I'll get my mirror. मैं पहले प्राइम कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मैं भूल गई थी कि मुझे पहले प्राइम नहीं करना था, बट स्टिल इट्स ओके. आफ्टर वंस वी आर डन विद द आई शैडो आई प्राइम इट अगेन, बट एक बार के लिए मैं प्राइम कर रही हूँ मेरे फेस को. I like this Maybelline का primer because it is quite good and it's a great product for dry skin, especially for dry skin. And I don't like to close my pores completely, so this is the perfect product for my skin type. I always like to show off my skin texture. मुझे फ्लॉलेस बेस जो होता है वो ज़्यादा नहीं पसंद है बिकॉज इट टेक्स अ थिक लेयर ऑफ फाउंडेशन एंड अदर मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स टू टेक because it takes a thick layer of other products and foundation on your skin to hide all the texture, pores, etc. So I don't do much of thick layer and I like my skin intact with a very light layer of product. Moving on to the next product, which is this e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I really like this concealer and I find it perfect for my eye base because इससे काफ़ी ठीक कवरेज मिल जाती है एंड इससे क्रैक भी नहीं होता है मेकअप क्रैक नहीं होता है. सो आई रियली लाइक दिस पर्टिकुलर I really like this particular concealer for my eye base because इससे बहुत ज़्यादा creasing नहीं होती है and the product is quite covering. And eyes के लिए तो yes, I need some coverage and I will be doing both the eyes together so that we don't miss anything out. And here I'm done with the eye base, which I find it very nice and flawless. So I'm taking this fluffy brush for the brown shade base, I can say, so that मेरा skin का color एकदम different नहीं लगे. I know I don't have the exact match of my skin tone. I'm using this particular palette. The palette name is Carnival Love Tahiti Stacey Marie Makeup, and this is by Be Perfect Cosmetics. Love this particular palette from them. And yes, I'll come a little closer because आज एक तो मैं मेरे जगह पे नहीं कर रही हूँ ये वीडियो. आई एम शूटिंग इट इन माई बेडरूम एंड बेडरूम की अभी बैंड बजी हुई है. सो I'll just do however I can adjust here. So I've taken a little of brown and this particular palette is so much pigmented. I got this palette in a very good deal because one of the makeup products selling page, I don't remember the name now, It's on Instagram. They have all authentic products. If by chance I remember the page name, I'll definitely put it in the description box. And that page was running a sale on the products which got little damaged in the transportation. So in this particular palette, 2 to 3 colors were damaged, and I was like, it's okay. If I have to pay less, I don't have to pay the duty, it is fine by me. So for this palette, particularly for this palette, I paid around 3k something, and I'm really happy with it because मुझे बाहर से मंगवाने में ये palette पड़ रही थी around 4,000 something, and I didn't want it to pay that much. So yes, I am very happy that I found this palette on a discount. So I'm just giving it a light brown base so that उससे मेरा can you see it? It's a very light brown base. इससे मेरा concealer set भी हो जाएगा, plus it won't look a separate patch on my eye. The next step, I am taking the dark blue from the same palette and I will be putting it on my corners. This corner. अभी मैं सिर्फ एक बार product रख रही हूँ यहाँ पे. Right now I'm just placing out the product onto my eyes, onto my eyelid. After setting it up here, I will be smudging it off with the other color. Okay, I like the color very much. It is such a bright blue and I am loving it. Moving on to the next color, which will be a turquoise blue from another palette. This palette is from Sample Beauty and the palette name is Hydrographic Palette, and this is from Sample Beauty. This has some beautiful shades of purple, blue and green. And yes, before I start with another color, I just want to merge a little bit of this shade. This is the shade. It's a very beautiful shade, and let's okay. लगाने के बाद इतना पता नहीं चल रहा है शेड का, but still we'll work it out. I'll put more of this shade in center. Now it is much visible. I need a smaller brush to apply the darker shade in the corner, because अगर मैं बड़ा brush लेके apply करूँगी तो फिर it might just come down. So I'm taking this brush to smudge the upper eyelid, and let's see how it goes, because I don't have a smaller brush and I'll have to do it धीरे धीरे से शांति से with this brush only. So I'm taking a very little of brown on this brush and I'm going in and out, in and out, in and out. And see, the top is done. So today we won't be using any eyeliner. I will be using kajal with a blue liner. Now I'll start in with the base, and before I move on to my base, I will be clearing out the any other eyeshadow droppings or anything. So I will be clearing that first. हमें लगता है कि नीचे कोई भी ड्रॉपिंग्स नहीं होगी, बट डेफिनेटली होती है. सो ऑलवेज बिफोर यू स्टार्ट योर बेस, ऑलवेज क्लियर आउट योर अंडर आइज, बिकॉज आती ही हैं. एंड अभी बिकॉज आई मिस्ड समथिंग ओवर हियर, सो आई विल बी डूइंग इट अगेन, not all over again, but I will be using the same brush. So I'm using the same brush to just smudge a bit over here. So today for the base we will be using these two beauties from Rare Beauty because I'm in love with these two products. This is one is the concealer and the other one is a skin tint. I'm using the concealer first to put on bit of here and there. इसमें थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आता है, but it's okay, we can manage. I just want a bit over here and over here, bit of it over here, and yes, bit here and here, and थोड़ा सा हम यहाँ नोज़ पे भी लगा रहे हैं. रीज़न कोई रीज़न नहीं है, it's just that मेरा प्रोडक्ट बच रहा था, so I've used it and I am going in. So today I have this sponge which I will be trying it, because this is a very viral sponge. They say that you get a really great finish with this one. Dab dab dab, dab dab dab. It merged really quickly and nicely. Never knew this will work really great, but yes, here it is. You can see the finish of my concealer again, and let's move in with the tint. I'm taking it on the back side of my hand, and then I will be putting it on my face point wise, because I have a habit of doing that. So let's do it. एंड मैं इसी को नीचे गाल तक आने दूंगी, गाल तक चिन तक आने दूंगी. एंड let's start merging it with the same applicator. ये थोड़ा सा इसका बैक साइड ढीला है मेरे लिए, मुझे 3 फिंगर्स डालनी पड़ेगी. ओह वाओ, I love how it took all the product and skin के साथ एकदम merge कर दिया है. I'll have to remove my nose pin. नोज़ के यहाँ करके हम वापस नोज़ पिन पहन लेंगे. Let's see. I think I'll be getting a bigger size for this one because this did a really great job. And Next up we have this powder from My Glam. This is the HD setting powder. I'm so sorry I didn't get the product name right, but yes, this is the HD setting powder. So I'll be setting in few spaces of my face. Few क्या पूरा ही face करना पड़ेगा because it is way too hot and थोड़ा सा setting बनता है. Though I usually don't set it with powder because my skin is very dry, but today we will be doing. And yes, we are done with the powder. Moving on to the next product, which is the blush. Sorry, which moving on to the next product, which is this blush from My Glam again. I love their blushes. They are so pigmented and look at the pigment of this blush. I totally love these products. I don't know why people didn't like it, but मुझे particularly My Glam के blushes बहुत पसंद आए थे and I have enjoyed my time with them. I had a very good time collaborating with My Glam because दिल खोल के products देते हैं, whether you are a small creator or whether you are a बड़ा creator, they give it दिल खोल के. So I really loved my time working with them and I've used a very little blush on my cheeks. We can move in with little more. So this is how my blush looks, and moving on to the next product. I have this blue pencil by Shembor and I love this color, but let's see how it works out on my eyes because इसको use किए हुए काफ़ी time हो गया है मुझे and I don't want to spoil on my makeup, so I'll just check it once. Oh, it has come out really well. So I'm just using this blue shade on the outer lid area. I will be using a black lid inside. Makeup आज काफ़ी अच्छा हो रहा है and just imagine we will be putting all this to the drain because हम पानी डालने वाले हैं इस makeup पे. And here I have my favorite kajal pencil. This is by Sugar Cosmetics and I love this pencil. आपने मेरी बहुत सारी videos में देखा होगा that I actually love this pencil because firstly the finish it has, secondly the stay, thirdly the value for money, everything is really good and use करके देखा यार, it is a great product and I use it for my AM to PM, from AM to PM days also and मेरा smudge नहीं होता है, but it totally depends on skin to skin type because if you have oily under eyes then you might get a very smudged kajal चाहे वो किसी भी brand का हो, but if you have dry skin like mine, because we have used a gel liner तो हमें कुछ भी डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि कुछ smudge ज़्यादा होगा because gel liner smudge नहीं करते हैं. Yes, right, gel liner smudge नहीं होते हैं. Now I'll be using my mascara. This is Maybelline's Sky High mascara. You know it, I love this mascara and let's do it. I should come a little closer to show you how it looks. See, can you see the difference? I can see it. I don't know how you can't see it. If you can't see it, then next up I'm using this. I don't know why मैं उल्टे उल्टे पकड़ती हूँ. Next up I will be using this by Fenty Beauty and This product is love. You want to see this is my hand. It's बिल्कुल बिना किसी product के. And now see this. Can you see it? Okay, I'll just put it on my eyes. Maybe then you will be able to see it. See? And I love it. Wait, I'll put a little highlighter on my face also. We will be using eyebrow pencil, because once we are complete, then only I will be using it. So for eyebrows, again I'm using this eyebrow pencil Arc Arrival by Sugar Cosmetics. And मैं एक्चुअली शूट करना भूल गई हूँ, तो ये सिर्फ एंड का बचा है टू शूट. एंड this is a great pencil for beginners. I will be linking everything below so that you can buy it. And for lips, I will be using this shade from Sephora. It's their 42 number, so I'll be using this shade. This is a very light, not nude exactly, but you can call it nude also, because it is a very light shade. Usually you'll see me in reds and pinks, but today as we have a darker blue on eyes, so I will be using this shade. So this was the whole look for this video. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do put your notification bell on so that you'll get every notification whenever I post. And yes, your support is much needed here. I really appreciate it. And yes, this is the final look. And yes, now you can go and check out this video. I'll see you in my next. Till then, bye.